Which one of these shapes is a trapezium? Well, in fact, both of them are trapezia, or that's the plural of trapezium, because they have exactly two sides which are parallel, and then you've got two other sides which are not parallel. Okay, so the one on the right, you can see they're definitely not parallel because the one side on the left is going straight up and the other one did a slant. So the one on the right, the trapezium on the right, we actually call a right trapezium. So they're both trapezium. They've got exactly one pair of parallel sides. You've got to be able to work out the area of a trapezium, and happily you're given this formula on the exam to do just that. So the area of a trapezium is half bracket, so half times the bracket, A plus B, where A and B are the two parallel sides of the trapezium, times H, where H is the perpendicular distance between them. Let's try an example. Let's say I want to find the area of this trapezium here. I'm firstly going to write the formula down. The area is going to be half bracket A plus B times the distance between A and B. So we can identify A is 5 and B is 7, and it doesn't actually matter if you switch these around. It wouldn't matter if A was 7 and B was 5. And because A and B is in brackets, A plus B is in brackets, it's important. So I'm going to work that out first. A plus B is 5 plus 7, which is 12. So the area is going to be half times 12 times H, where H is 6, because that is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. And to work this out, I can first halve 12, which gives me 6, and then times the result of that by 6, which gives me an answer of 36 centimeters squared. Here are two questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go at them, and when you're ready to go to the answers, press play. Here are the answers. So for the first two, here are two questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go at them, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Firstly, the first trapezium, I've got A that I can identify as 3, and B would be 5, and then H would be 2. So the formula for area of trapezium, half times A plus B times H. A plus B is 5 add 3, which is 8. So I need to do half times 8 times 2, which is going to be 4 times 2, which gives me 8. So it's 8 centimeters squared for the area. For the second trapezium, again, half times A plus B times H. So I have to do half times 7 plus 9 is 16, times the perpendicular distance between them, which is 3 centimeters, because this is a right trapezium. Half of 16 is 8, times by 3 is 24. So the area of that second trapezium is 24 centimeters squared.